You wake up tired, and you haven't even started. Have you noticed how nothing ever really feels finished anymore? Before you brush your teeth, there's already something waiting. A message, an email, a reminder that you are late on something. By noon, you've answered 23 things. By nightfall, you've cleared nothing. You moved all day, but nothing moved forward. And that's what creates the tension. You think you need discipline, a better morning routine, a tighter schedule, more focus. That's what the advice suggests. But even highly productive people quietly experience the same condition. So this may not be about effort. It may be about structure. Work used to have edges. You finished the shift, knocked at the door, went home. Done meant done. Now, your inbox doesn't end. It regenerates. Your snack doesn't close. It sleeps. Your to-do list doesn't shrink. It shape-shifts. You are not finishing work. You are stabilizing it. You are feeding it. So tomorrow doesn't accelerate. That's not completion. That's containment. Completion produces relief. Maintenance produces low-grade tension. Most modern work is maintenance presented as progress. Digital systems are not organized around endings. They are organized around renewal. They do not reward finishing. They reward responsiveness. The faster you respond, the more input you receive. Closure slows circulation. Continuation sustains it. So everything is structured to continue. Notifications, feeds, deadlines that renew themselves. The system does not aim for resolution. It aims for engagement. That's why you complete 40 tasks and still feel unresolved. You clear your inbox and it refills by morning. You knock off, but nothing concludes. Because the structure does not resolve. It refreshes. You are always busy because the system rewards motion. You are never done because the system avoids endings. Business simulates progress. Completion produces closure. Modern life is optimized for motion, not closure. Completion was never the goal. Continuation is.